Hi, good day. This is Vivek here from Trade Stocks 360 and welcome to our channel. This week we will analyze how to trade 24th to 28th May 2021 in Nifty, and we'll see the different levels what it could take in this week based on technical analysis. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and like and share and comment, so that we can give more videos which could be of helpful to you. We will see what are the different levels of Nifty 50, and we'll do the different analysis of the different levels what it could happen in this particular week based on technical analysis. First, I will take the weekly chart of last week, and based on that we will find out what is happening. It has been in a consolidation range for quite some time, but this week's closing has been a highest weekly closing, all-time highest weekly closing this week, and it is a higher high and higher low kind of candle for second time consecutively. The last week was higher high, higher low, but it was a red candle. But this week it has been higher high, higher low, but it was a green candle breaching last week's high. And that is a very positive sign in Nifty. It's also a big bullish green candle here, and the next resistance what we can see is 50,254 can be the next resistance, and 50,432 is the all-time high. These two levels are very much possible in by analyzing these charts, possible in the coming week itself. The ATR, that's the average true range, that's the difference between the high and the low of a particular candle, is for a week is 527.67. The last week's ATR and the high minus low of the last week is very close, indicating that a kind of a momentum can be expected in the coming week too. So that is what we can analyze based on the weekly charts. So we will go to the next kind of charts so that we can analyze what it says. The hourly chart is another thing which we are analyzing. The hourly chart shows it's having a huge bullish bias. It has come out of a consolidation and it has actually formed a Marubozu, breaching the previous levels of resistances and consolidation. And it also has but the supports are at 15,080 and 15,120. The next support below that is at around 14,880, which we have seen. That's the least resistance. Below which it is always negative, but above that it is positive. Hourly charts show the levels of 15,254 is very much possible very soon, and the Fibonacci extensions are showing that 15,341 and 15,467 possible in Nifty. So we have drawn that extensions, and we have seen that these two levels are possible. The recent low of 14,885 in the last week on Thursday is around 50% retracement of the previous high from where a bounce back has happened. So that is a good bounce back, and okay, this can be considered as a very strong support, and from there we can actually expect the levels whatever has been mentioned in the Fibonacci extensions using the hourly chart. In a daily chart, when we look at it, it has actually been in a parallel downward channel. It has been for quite some time, but it also has taken a base in a upward trend line in sometime last week. And from there it has taken a bounce back and it has gone above the parallel channel. So basically now this parallel channel's bottom could act as the support and going forward. So daily charts have breached this parallel channel, and so so we need to consider the next resistances for this are 14,255, 14,315 and 14,434. Higher high, higher low and a green Marubozu kind of a candle is indicating a very strong bullish bias in Nifty, and 14,900, 14,985 and 15,041, 15,075, 175 is indicating some good supports. So these are support lines. So basically there are some good supports, but basically the resistances could be taken out, whatever has been mentioned here. So coming week, the summary is that Nifty is looking very positive this week. A range of 14,900 to 14,450 is possible in coming week, but I believe the base of this week will be around 15,050, and if 15,050 is the base around, then the new high of around 15,600 is possible in this coming week. Below 14,900 we have to take a bearish outlook. That is the summary for the coming week. One more summary of the other stocks and other sectors possibly. Bank Nifty may outperform Nifty in the coming week. It has been a proper Marubozo for a daily candle in Friday and also a weekly Marubozo. Bank Nifty is very much highly probable of outperforming Nifty in the coming week. The low to high of current week can be expected around 2,500 points in Bank Nifty with a bullish base. It could be a big positive open. From there, 2,500 points you can consider. That's the kind of a moment it can happen. Auto, financial service and energy and mid caps are to be in the radar coming week. They could perform well. Being a monthly expiry on Thursday, expect huge volatility. So any correction that can happen will always be bought into, but there will be corrections in the coming week. Then there could be some violent corrections from higher levels, but it could again bounce back later. So be very careful while trading this volatility on the coming week. Nifty could possibly breach all-time high this week. Coming Friday, that's after the expiry, the day after that expiry, the Friday charts can indicate how the month of June will perform, whether a breakout or a breakdown is possible from that. But ideally, based on the last week's chart, what we can tell is there's high possibility that there's a breakout on June, and June could be a bullish month. That's what we are able to tell it now. But let us wait for the expiry and we'll come to a conclusion on that. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching our channel. Please do like, share and subscribe and comment. And let us know what else do you like to have the analysis for, and we'll try to provide that. Thank you very much.